Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this soft natural beat in a few minutes. Keep on watching. Now that my primer is in place, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I did not apply foundation to these areas on my face. The reason for that is because I'm going to be applying concealer. And because this is a soft beat, I'm not using a very bright concealer. If you look at this very concealer, you see that it's like about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm going back in with my beauty blender to blend in place. Now I'm going to be contouring my cheeks in order to have a little bit of dimension on my face. Now I'm going to set my entire face, but I'm going to be starting with my concealer in order to avoid creasing. Now my concealer is set, my foundation is set. I'm just going to go ahead to do my brows. I'm just going to be following my natural brow shape. I'm going back in with a spoolie to soften the brows. Because this is a soft beat, I'm going to go in the concealer that is exact shade with my skin tone to highlight my brows, to enhance the brows and give it more definition. I'm going to be repeating the process on my other brow. I hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video entertaining or informative in some sort of way. Ensure that you share with your friends and turn on that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Until then, see you next time. Bye for now.